This is the story of a brave fox, a kind-hearted elephant, and a fearless rabbit who stood strong in the face of a devastating flood and made a powerful decision. They wouldn't just save themselves, they would save the entire jungle. As everything sank beneath the rising water, these three showed what true courage really means. Let's see, friends, how they turned the impossible into possible. In a hidden place called Harmony Jungle, peace rules everything.
What a beautiful morning.
I love this jungle.
Peace is our strength.
You are right, friend.
We should always be together.
You are right, my friend. Unity is strength.
We will solve any danger together, no matter how hard it is.
Come on, friend. We haven't eaten yet. Let's eat something.
Come on, friend, let's bring food.
Let's go. Look, friends, it's full of carrots. Apples, yummy.
Oh, my favorite banana is also here.
Yummy food.
Yummy food! Even though the time passed happily, the happiness did not last long. Nature always speaks silently, and then the balance started to break.
The sky is getting cloudy.
I see.
Why are birds leaving? The sky changed its mood. The rain continued to increase. One drop became thousands.
Friend, look, the rain has increased a lot.
Yes, my friend, I don't feel anything good.
Look, there's a flood. Help! The water's rising too fast!
I can't hold on! Help us! Please, someone save a way!
Friend, we have to do something. We have to save them.
I have an idea.
What idea?
We will build a boat.
How to make it?
Very easy, you just collect wood from the trees.
Let's go, friends! Collect woods!
Okay, elephant.
Yeah, let's go!
Good work, friends!
Friend, look what I made.
Wow, a boat. All right, get on the boat. Right behind you.
Coming aboard!
Let's save them. Save us! Save us!
Help! Save us! Hang on, we're coming!
The current is too strong. We have to help them! The current's getting faster!
Hang on, everyone! Help! We're being swept away!
The log is tipping!
We're all gonna fall in! Somebody help us!
Don't worry, I'm here. Hold my hand.
We're coming.
Thank you, Frank.
Almost there, everyone.
See, we're all together now.
Yay! Don't worry, my friend. You are safe now. And in a little while, we would have died.
Thank you for saving us.
Look! The forest!
It's all destroyed.
What happened here?
This is terrible.
The storm destroyed our forest.
Our forest is destroyed.
What a storm came that turned their happy life into suffering, filled their mind with a burden of sadness.
Friend, we should do something. You're right, friend. We should rescue the wounded in the forest first.
Friends, we have to treat them.
You are right.
Friend, let's make the forest beautiful again.
Friend, we need to build a house here for everyone to live in.
Let's go! Bring the peace again!
You are right.
Let's go!
All right, team, let's build some houses.
I'm on it! I'll handle the heavy logs.
I can help too. Let's get started. Great work, team. Look at our village.
All right, team, let's plant these trees.
Let's do it.
Style planting. They look great. Thank you for the wonderful houses.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your new homes.
We will. We did it together.
We are strong. Peace is back.
And so, Harmony Jungle lived again, stronger than before.
Friends, what did you learn from this story?
In difficult times, staying calm and thinking clearly helps you find a solution.
Even if you are small, courage and a kind heart can achieve great things.
True strength is helping others, not just being strong. When we work together, no problem is too big.